Wrench ARCCAPTAIN 4-in-1 220V 140A semi-automatic welding machine. A versatile, multi-process welder made to cover a wide range of welding tasks, from metal fabrication, repair, to hobby and industrial work. With modes including MIG, both gas and gasless, flux cord, MMA, stick, and optional lift TIG. This unit combines the best of several welders in one compact inverter. The IGBT inverter design ensures good efficiency, lighter weight, and steadier arcs. Advantages and use cases. Excellent choice for users needing multiple welding options in one machine. Flux core MIG, gasless, for outdoors or windy conditions. Gas MIG for cleaner welds. MMA, ARC for stick electrodes. And TIG lift mode for precision, intermittent TIG use. Handy for small workshops, repair shops, farm, ranch work, metal fabrication, DIY, and automotive panels. Using the Lift TIG mode, if the torch is added, you can get TIG-like precision without needing HF TIG start equipment. Good efficiency, protection circuits, and compact size make it reliable and more durable under varied use. Warning considerations, limitations. Lift TIG torch often not included, must purchase separately in many packages. AC TIG, for aluminum, usually requires more specific TIG equipment. Lift TIG is honest but not always as fully capable as HF TIG for certain difficult metals. For thick metals, duty cycle at full current and good cooling are important to avoid overheating. Gas MIG performance depends on using proper shielding gas and clean setup. Gasless MIG, flux core is simpler but may produce more spatter, require cleaning. Electric supply should be stable 220 to 230 volts to achieve rated performance. Clipboard suggested marketing, description text. The ARCCAPTAIN 4-in-1 MIG 140 is your all-round welding solution. With modes for gas MIG, gasless, flux core MIG, stick, MMA, and lift TIG, this IGBT inverter brings flexibility to your workshop or job site. At 20 to 140A output, 60% duty cycle, and equipped with protection against overload, overheating and overvoltage, it's built to handle tough tasks with safety and precision. Ideal for metal work, repairs, automotive, and fabrication. Compact at approximately 5.35 kilograms with wire and electrode compatibility makes setup easy. Torch, ground clamp, cables included, TIG torch sold separately.